Welcome to WebStylePress. In this video, I will show you how to delete Copilot history. To manage your activity history for the Copilot app, open the app in Windows, click sidebar icon, click profile picture, select settings, click privacy, and from here click export or delete history option. It will take you to the Microsoft account. You will have to log into the account if you are not. And from here you can delete all history. Before deleting, you can export activity history. And after that, you can delete history for Copilot app or Copilot in Microsoft 365 apps. From here, you can delete all activity history. So this is how you can export or delete Copilot history from the app. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.